Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1986 GMC Suburban. This one is 64 and the casting is by Greenlight, part of their showroom floor series. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 1986 GMC Suburban out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this very classic looking paint job. And the second thing you will notice is this is a huge vehicle. Even today's Suburbans are like really huge. They're like full-size SUVs. I don't think you can get anything bigger than those. Apart from that, on the side, you got these really nice-looking wheels with rubber tires with thread on them. You got this chrome accent on the top, detailed handles, and I can't really read what that says. You got this big, huge window. It's a 3-row vehicle, as you can see. There's the 3rd row. Chrome bumpers front and back. You can see it from the side. But let's go to the front. So front, you again got those 4 headlamp setup. And I think even today GMC tries to continue, or even I think since last generation had like those stacked up headlamp setup in a different design though, but they did. You got the detailed grille, GMC badge, chrome bumper with this, I don't know, like a car in 80s, even in the early 90s had this piece in front of bumper. I think this was like so you don't crash directly onto something in slow speed. But yeah, you got chrome surround on the windshield wipers. Does miss out on the mirrors. I don't know why, but it does. Let's move to the passenger side. Looks almost identical, the only difference being this fuel filter cap here. I do like the rims, they look really nice. They look very good. And this is how it looks from the back. So this is different. Now you don't get the split door. No, and I think the newer ones you just have, I think it's like a hatch, maybe on the newer ones. Yeah, it's like a hatch, so it opens upwards. It doesn't even open like a door. So here you have a split door, split window. You got the door handle here. Detailed tail lamps, Suburban in here, and the chrome bumper again with the place for number plate, and also this chrome accent here. You'll see the hinges for the doors in back. This is how it looks from the top. Again, huge roof, and if you see closely, the roof is slightly taller when it comes to the passenger side. So 2nd row, 3rd row, slightly taller to have more headroom. You can see, I don't know how much my camera can focus, but you can see the interior is finished in black, and it's got full 3 rows. Even after that, there's a space for luggage. Now let's move to the bottom. So again, more detail than what you see regularly on Hot Wheels. So you've got a fuel filler, tank here. You got the exhaust coming on the side. You got the differentials front and the back. Obviously it's a 4x4. So you can see propeller shafts going from back to the front to the gearbox. Yeah, so good details in the back too. On the bottom too. Now, should you get one? Well, it depends on you. Some Greenlights are like really, really nicely detailed. Some of them are not greatly detailed. And looking at the hood, I thought it might be opening one, but then I realized it's just a design here. Like they have done the creases more better, but it doesn't open up. Overall, I like the casting. It depends on you if you like this. If you like old American pickups and trucks, you're gonna like this. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.